Here are some business ideas that can make you rich. 1. Rise of co-working space. The trend of future services offices is going to change. Due to high rental expenses, it is very difficult for small businesses to afford a separate office space. So people are opting for working in co-working spaces. It not only helps them to reduce rental expenses, but also to share expertise and skills. If you have free space, then start working a co-working space business. It is a new business idea which is very futuristic. This is one of the best upcoming business ideas in India. 2. 3D printing. 3D printing business is becoming one of the most profitable businesses nowadays. In the last few years, this is getting famous all around the globe. Initially, the 3D printers were very expensive and not affordable for several businessmen, but as time passed, the prices gradually declined and this printer is much in range now. The price of a 3D printer depends upon the specification and features you require. All you need is to purchase an equipment set for the shop and start your new venture. 3. Consumer goods and services business. Experts are of the view that the middle-class population of a few countries will go up tremendously, and the country where the middle-class population is increasing day by day is seen as an emerging market. With the expansion of the middle class, the consumption of goods and services will witness a sharp inclination. It is a good opportunity for those who want to start a good and services business, like starting a retail chain store. 4. Business in real estate. With rapid urbanization every year, thousands of people are migrating to big cities. There may be several reasons behind it, like finding good jobs, improving living standards, etc. Due to this trend, the need for affordable houses has increased a lot. It has created a great opportunity for the real estate industry, brokers, and construction companies to offer their services. If you want to start this business, you should have relevant experience and governmental license to operate in your area. 5. Healthcare industry. Due to changing lifestyles, people have become more prone to diseases and healthcare issues. According to Fortune, the healthcare industry will grow immensely in the future. Preventive medicines will increase rapidly and the general healthcare practices will be replaced by personal healthcare practices. If you can jump into this industry in any form, you will surely enjoy a high return in the future. This is one of the best future business ideas.